Introducing the new Mercedes-Benz GLS models, revamped appearance and advanced software, refreshed exterior and interior design elements, enhanced standard features and additional options, fully electrified engine lineup with 48-volt technology. Following the recent updates to the GLE and GLE Coupe, Mercedes-Benz now unveils the revamped GLS and the Mercedes-Maybach GLS 604 Matic. These large SUV models now boast improved design, technology, and equipment, elevating comfort, connectivity, and ambiance to new heights. Featuring spacious exterior dimensions, these SUVs comfortably accommodate up to 7 passengers across 3 seating rows. European dealerships will receive the upgraded Mercedes-Benz GLS by the end of October 2023, while the US market launch is slated for mid-September. Mercedes-Benz GLS, aesthetic upgrades and off-road functionality. The latest GLS models sport a more striking radiator grille, with 4 high-quality silver shadow galvanized louvers. The bumper is also more visually prominent, featuring integrated air inlet grilles and a high-gloss black surround. A redesigned standard large simulated underguard and 3 horizontal blocks inside the rear lights further enhance the exterior. A new 20-inch multi-spoke light alloy wheel in Himalayas grey with a high-sheen finish expands the wheel selection. Silver shadow galvanized louvers on the center and side air vents echo design elements found in the Mercedes-Maybach GLS. As most GLS drivers primarily navigate paved roads or mild to moderately challenging off-road terrain, Mercedes-Benz has redefined the off-road engineering package, which now includes an underguard and an additional 30 mm of ground clearance. The updated MBUX infotainment system offers a refreshed display design, with 3 customizable styles: classic, sporty, discreet, and 3 modes: navigation, assistance, service. The GLS model's all-wheel drive and power-focused gear ratio enable a high trailer load of up to 3.5 tons. In summary, the new Mercedes-Benz GLS models offer a refreshed appearance, advanced software, and practical off-road capabilities. With the upgraded standard equipment and new options, these luxury SUVs provide an enhanced driving experience for both on-road and off-road adventures. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, share,